Welcome back guys to the next video in the Node.js series. In the last video we talked about and we implemented HTTP module. In this video we will discuss Express. Now Express in Node.js is a minimal and flexible web application framework that helps you build web servers and APIs easily. So just think that it's a library, a kind of helper library in Node.js that makes it easier to handle your routes, your requests and responses when you are building your websites. But the real question is that we already had HTTP, then why are we using Express? Now the real question is, why Express if we already have HTTP module? First of all, HTTP module is very basic and manual. And there are certain disadvantages, like you need to manually check URL paths and request methods. You need to pass the request data yourself. You need to set the headers and responses line by line. And a lot of repetitive code requires to be written. But in case of Express, these problems will be resolved. It makes your routing easier. It also helps you in organizing your code better and also saves time and effort. But remember one thing, Express is built on top of HTTP. But Express just simplifies everything. Consider HTTP module as just bricks and cement, and Express is something which is built of those bricks and cement. If you want to build your websites and APIs faster and more cleanly, then you have to use Express. Now, one important thing is that Express is not a built-in module. You need to install via npm. So let's keep our package.json opened. We'll be able to get it here inside the dependencies. I need to write npm I express. So let's wait for some while till it is installed. So you can see that we have installed Express and this is the version 5.1.0. Now before we start with any example, I would like to take you to the official documentation of Express. So that's expressjs.com. And you can also see the latest version over here, 5.1.0. And this is one example that is given over here. So I'm just going to zoom in this example. Okay. So first of all, we need to import Express. They are using the common JS way of importing Express, but I'll be using ES6. Now, after this, we have to make an instance. App represents the instance of Express module. Then a variable is declared for the port number. You may or may not declare it. It's totally fine. Then you have to attach a method with your instance. It could be get method. It could be a post method, but since we don't want to submit any form yet, so we just want to simply get a simple response. So in that case, you just use get method. So inside the method, you have two mandatory parameters. First one will be the URL. Second one is the callback or the listener that accepts further two parameters, that is request and response. Now, if whatever the response you want to send or whatsoever the response you want to get, just put response.send method and put your message inside this. Then after this, your Express also needs a port number. So you need to attach listen method with the app, and then you need to pass two parameters, the port number, here it's the variable, and the listener. And you can pass a message that the server is running. If you want to get a better idea regarding this, you can just go to Getting Started and click on Basic Routing. Now inside the basic routing, it's going to explain about what exactly syntax needs to be written. So first of all, let's check what is routing. Routing refers to determining how an application responds to a client request to a particular endpoint, which is a URI or path, and a specific HTTP request method can be get, post, and so on, like put and delete. So each route can have one or more handler functions which are executed when the route is matched. So this is the syntax: app dot any method. It can be get, post, put, or delete. But for now, we won't be talking about put and delete at all. So we will be working with the get method only for the time being. So inside this method, the first parameter will be the path, and second will be the handler or the callback function or the listener. So where app is the instance of Express, method is just the HTTP request method in lowercase, path is the URL or the path on the server, and handler is the function executed when the route is matched. Now let's get back to the example, and I'm going to copy this. Now we will be creating a file express first.js. This is our first Express program, so I'm just going to. So I have pasted the example over here, but you know that we are using the ES6 way of importing the modules. So instead of writing it this way, we'll be using import express from Express. Let's check the execution. Node express first. So this is running now. We need to go to localhost 3000. Yeah, it is 3000 only. So we got hello world. You can also create multiple routes like app.get. Let's say I need about request and response dot send. It's very important that in Express we use response dot send, and in HTTP we use response dot end. This is about page. Okay, so I hope this is fine. We need to restart the server, or you can use nodemon instead. Nodemon express first. So that seems fine. Let's check /about. So this is about page. So this was just a basic. In the next video, we will learn how to send an HTML file instead of sending a plain text, and we'll also see how we can submit the form on the server. So we'll be using either get method or post method for the same. So you need to wait for the next video. Till that time, stay tuned.